Requirement 1 of PCI DSS is all about protecting your card data environment from network threats. Originally focused on firewalls, it now includes all network security controls. The goal is to stop unauthorized access to cardholder data through your networks. This requirement requires network security controls like firewalls, properly configured to restrict access. All inbound and outbound traffic to the CDE should be minimized. Devices that connect to both trusted and untrusted networks must also be secured. Sub-requirement 1.1 Processes defined. Organizations must define and document how network security controls are installed and maintained. Roles and responsibilities need to be assigned and understood. Compliance is checked by reviewing documentation and interviewing staff. Sub-requirement 1.2 Configurations maintained. Network security controls must have standardized configuration rule sets. Two diagrams are required, one for networks and one for data flows. These show how cardholder data moves through systems and how the CDE is protected. Sub-requirement 1.3 Restricting traffic. Access to and from the CDE must be denied by default. Only essential traffic is allowed. Firewalls or network security controls must be placed between the CDE and all wireless or external networks. Sub-requirement 1.4 Trusted versus untrusted. Connections between trusted and untrusted networks must be controlled. Untrusted traffic is blocked, except for essential public services. Anti-spoofing protections are required, and systems storing card data must not be directly accessible. Sub-requirement 1.5 Dual connected devices. Any device that can connect to both untrusted networks and the CDE must be protected. Security controls on these devices must be standardized, up to date, and not removable by users. This prevents compromised devices from endangering the CDE. Examples in practice. Examples include segmenting payment systems from guest Wi-Fi, limiting traffic, updating network devices, and adopting next-generation firewalls. Coffee shops, e-commerce sites, hotels, and payment processors all apply this requirement differently, but the goal is the same. Keep the CDE protected. To recap, Requirement 1 requires documented processes, standardized configurations, and strict traffic restrictions. Firewalls or network security controls must separate trusted and untrusted networks. Devices must be secured, and traffic denied by default unless justified. The principle is simple. If there's no reason to allow it, block it.